At least 13 people were killed in Missouri as a series of tornadoes hit the U.S. Midwest and Southeast overnight. 26 tornadoes were reported but not confirmed to have touched down and have raked a path of destruction late on March 14th. Reportedly, a low-pressure system drove powerful thunderstorms across Arkansas, Illinois, Mississippi, and Missouri. As the storms regain strength, the highest possible risk of tornadoes and severe thunderstorms is expected, according to Reuters, citing weather forecasters.